question in this exercise, question 538. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Let's see what we know and what we don't know. I'm going to represent that arithmetic progression. The second and the third term are 14 and 18 respectively. We do not know the first term, and we obviously do not know as of right now the next terms. And we are supposed to calculate the overall total sum of the first 51 terms. Now we notice that these are consecutive terms and the difference between them is just 4. We know that in arithmetic progression, the difference between two successive terms is always same, constant, uniform. So that means the first term can be interpreted very easily because the difference of +4 is going to be same between first and the second term too. So that means the first term will be 4 lesser than this 14, and then only we can get this 14 if we have the first term as 10, because 10 plus 4 will eventually become 14. Do we really have to calculate the remaining terms? No, we are going to plug in the values in the formula. So overall 51 terms we are supposed to collect. First term is denoted by A, that has been now calculated as 10. Number of terms is equal to 51. Common difference, which remains uniform between two successive terms, is 4. And now we can plug in these values. Immediately we'll replace n by 51 because we have to calculate the total of first 51 terms. As soon as you replace n by 51 on the left hand side, immediately replace the same n by 51 on the right hand side too. So this will be a formula for S51. Now we can plug in the remaining values. A will be substituted as 10. So twice of 10 will be 20. And 51 minus 1 will be 50 times 4 because the D value is been given as 4. Now, we will calculate this multiplication first. 50 times 4 will be 200 plus 20. That will be 220. And now we can cancel this 2 by 220 and get like 110. Finally, we'll multiply this 110 times 51 and our answer is going to be 5610. The common mistakes in this particular example will be people see this 2 and then they cancel this 2. We cannot do that unless and until we have this cancelable 2 in each of the term in the bracket. We cannot directly just cancel this 2 and 2 for one term. That's not possible. Second, people do this 20 plus 50 first. That's also wrong. Remember, multiplication takes higher precedence, higher preference. So first multiplication and then addition. So 50 times 4 has to be performed first and then 20 has to be added. And finally, some people may make mistakes in manual multiplication of 51 times 110, but that's comparatively rare. So our final answer is going to be 5610.